Dunce culture is an interesting concept. A term once feared by every young person going to school has now become the staple for so many young children to reach. But why? Think of dunce like the American word nigger. Once used to belittle and embarrass, now it's being taken back by those who were called it. They are wearing it with pride, as long as they have the money and the luxury to make up for the missed subjects. In their minds, they can't make you stop calling them dunce. They have been called dunce their whole life, but they can make you respect and envy them as a dunce person. When the system should have been upset that there were children being called dunce by their teachers, principals, members of the community, and so many more, no one batted an eye. They allowed the verbal abuse to continue. Instead, the people of power and influence within the government are upset at the young people who took the word back, rather than the ones who tried to use the word to beat them down. Think about it like that. Since we are on the topic, let's ask the real question here. So, do subjects really guarantee you success in your field of choice? Even before that, will these subjects guarantee that you get a spot in your tertiary school with little or full help through scholarships? We cannot continue to solely push a system that doesn't help those who follow their rules. You have children out there with up to 14 subjects, and it's almost impossible for most of them to get into a university because of where they come from or how much access they have. How is it fair to tell them that school is the right way then? So what exactly are we going to do as a country, government, and people to help our fellow Jamaicans? Then there's also the fact that we have to remember our fellow Jamaicans who aren't that great at bookwork, but they have a great astute mind for business, music, or many other subjects that aren't falling into that category of a 4-year degree. How do we work with them to see their potential? We all have a place in this world, and we all have to